Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. As you all know, the fires are going crazy in Southern California right now. Here in Northern California, obviously, I'm not affected by it, but I'm seeing all these videos of people just like running out of water, period, to start the fire. And then I'm seeing videos of stuff like this. Hopefully you can see it. It's a dude fighting a fire using his water from his pool and a little pump. Now, I want to help you guys set something like this up. Obviously, I don't have one right now, but I want to get that knowledge out there because I see a lot of people like, oh, I'm going to get a sump pump and set some up like that. Well, with a sump pump, there's probably some gas ones out there. I've only seen electric ones. So that wouldn't work in a lot of cases. Like in Southern California right now, they're just shutting the power off to whole tracts of homes or neighborhoods to mitigate extra fires or more fires starting from happening. So they're shutting the power off. A sump pump wouldn't work in that case. This is my recommendations, and hopefully I get the point across. And if you have any questions, you could text me, shoot me a message on email. My text is 925-418-5096, or you could shoot me an email and I'll do my best to explain. I'm not an expert on pumps, but I get paid to work on pumps and service pumps and stuff. So this is gonna be what I would recommend from my point of view. First off, a 2-inch trash pump. Oh yeah, and there's gonna be links to everything in the description below. This whole setup, sorry I keep looking at my phone, but this whole setup is gonna run you, what is this? What do I have in my cart right now? 380 bucks plus tax on Amazon. Hopefully you can see that on there. Don't get too much of a glare from these lights going on. But first off, a 2-inch trash pump, something with a big fuel capacity. You're gonna wanna have fuel around when this happens if you're ever gonna have to use this thing. But something like this, it's got a larger fuel tank, so you have a larger fuel capacity in case you need to keep using this thing. This pump, this trash pump is a whole kit. It comes with a suction hose, a suction strainer. You would drop that suction hose right into your pool and it hooks right up to the pump. And also it comes with a lay flat hose. Hopefully you can see that on there. That's the blue hose. Now that blue hose, lay flat, the connections that come with this set, you're gonna use it to hook to the actual pump on the discharge side. What I'm gonna tell you to set up differently on this little description is instead of using the parts that it's given to you in that kit to set up on the discharge of the lay flat hose, I would say you wanna get 2-inch nipples to cam lock like this. So these are male cam locks to 2-inch nipples. The nipples are gonna go into the discharge hose, the discharge lay flat hose on the pump. You're gonna use some heavy duty hose clamps like this to hold that hose onto that cam lock fitting. And then at the end of that cam lock fitting, you're gonna wanna buy a adjustable fire hose or fire nozzle like this. You can see on this one, it is connected to a female 2-inch cam lock fitting. So you would hook this 2-inch female cam lock fitting right onto that male that's on the end of the hose. After you do that, turn the pump on, get suction, and you're ready to go. The reason why I would do this adjustable fire nozzle is just in case you need a fan out instead of having a direct straight nozzle. This will be able to fan out, give you a little bit more soaking power. So instead of fighting a fire, or if you need to fight a fire when it's getting a little bit closer, you could soak the whole land around you with a wide fan rather than just spraying everything down and washing everything away. Before, hopefully as a preventative measure, you could get everything soaked and not let the fire even get close to you. Now, this video isn't to make you feel that you're gonna have some type of superpower and you could stay with your home or something that you care about while it burns right in front of you and potentially kill yourself. Do not kill yourself. Make sure you are safe. Make sure you are not putting yourself in danger, your family in danger. I'm pretty sure that there's people that depend on you to help them get by, such as your kids, your wife, anybody, or vice versa, your husband, your kids, whatever it may be. But this is just my recommendation to help you get a trash pump set up get going so that you could be able to at least try to mitigate a fire getting close to your house. Or like around here, Northern California, we have fires in the summer a lot. Up in the hills, the Sierras, they burn a lot lately. This might be something that could be helpful to you. There's going to be links in the description for all of these parts. Again, if you have any questions, shoot me a text. I could try to help you set something up like this. Links in the description. I'm trying to put pictures on everything as we went, and hopefully this was a clear explanation of what you could do to maybe help get yourself ready for fire season, or just to have this stuff around just in case a fire gets near your home. And again, everything on here, I forget how much the price was on all of that, which wasn't much. Where was it? Let's get back over there into the cart. 380 bucks. Hopefully you can see that. Plus tax. That's not that bad. Obviously, you're going to want to have some fuel laying around. Don't have it near a fire. You don't want to cause any more problems. But you'll have all this set up. Hopefully, you'll have some fuel around. Worst case scenario, I have 2 vehicles. I would siphon the fuel out of one of my vehicles to power this pump to help fight a fire that is getting near my house. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. I hope this video helped you out. Don't put yourself in danger. Don't get yourself hurt. Don't get your family hurt. Make sure you stay safe. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies, and I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.